Are you tired of manually copying contacts from Odoo? Learn how to export selected contacts to Excel or CSV in under 2 minutes. I'll guide you through each step, navigating to contacts, selecting the ones you need, and choosing your export format. All right, let's start by navigating to the home page of your Odoo instance. Once you're there, click on Contacts in the top menu to open your contact list. Go ahead and tick the checkbox next to the contact you want to export. Then, look to the top bar and click on the Actions button. From the drop-down that appears, click on Export. Now, you'll need to choose your export format in the dialog that pops up. You can select either XLSX or CSV from the available options. Finally, click on Export to finish the export. And that's it. You're all set. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.